amanye ama-jet.
Hola.
Ekuseni phethe uphele bathini kazinami kakhulu bese kumusa bese siyajabula ukubona bese sihlala
Jabula bebeba la ekhaya bese.
usazoyidedela ne
Uyazi now.
bese siyabonga phela uma la khona wagcina eyidedeleni wagcina ephuma esilaqa wayidedela nje mfethu into yangempela so I'd actually love to see ukuthi ke namhlanje masuyidedela uzolibreaka lela record phela le record lisamile namanje baba
Yeah, now share but la bese. Ashaya.
Okay. After unyaka omusha mfethu it is 2026 sajabula mfethu ukuthi ngasha ngikhona Valentine sesiphethe superstar Baba show sure angeze kuthiwa you just came from Joburg usithini span
Bese uba up and down bese. Because of ingoma evele ya trend on the base.
Sure.
Kanyaka cabanga. So yona lento lebhiki manje bese up and down phone Pepe yabona
sure
yazama ukuthi bese ngiconnecte nabo bonke abantu.
showcase aphe le khathi bethu yona bethu izoblind kakhulu masulifake liza awuthi ukuze siyiqonde cela ungikhiphela lona bethi izazi ungasabi la yami okay sangiyabonga bethu no it comes with great pleasure bethu to have you here at the Baba Show bethu I remember years ago I remember years ago, it was in 2023,
So
if not 2022. You came through with like a store, assassin, that small pop-up store, assassin, it's our ring. It's a kumula about. No, it's a smooth so and I don't allow. I really appreciate when there's a much cooler but still be reachable, yabo. Because when they try to then about the person aspila nabo. Once they grow, to uba inking ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi sibathole eduze yabo. So your humbleness to it is highly appreciated ngami mfethu.
Bonga mina mfethu.
No
time.
But no, that's dope mfethu. No, mfethu sikhuluma ngawo ke mfethu 2026, but at the same time I really appreciate the journey mfethu because a lot of people babona uBello B who's actually out here pushing, but the story didn't start just here mfethu. Yabona, I can just imagine you growing up in a very humble township in Magwaveni. So take me back mfethu bekunjani ukukhula mfethu, and did you see yourself becoming this superstar that you are currently right now?
Ngingasho mfethu ukuthi ukukhula kwami vele bekusifiso sami leso ne.
Sure.
Because bengumuntu othandayo DJ ucula ukudansa yabo bengena yonke indawo. So vele ilentuzana nami ukukhula ubuye lokhu Brown mfethu
Okay, Brown chicken.
ukuthi nami ngibe ngenazinga lelana mfethu. So nganginaleyo believe mfethu ngizopusha ngizozama yabo konke senzala. So into yamaqala lapho mfethu from eMaritzburg eHawithi la ngazalelwa khona. Then ngakhulela la Thongazi mfethu nokwalo. So ila ngaqala khona ukuhlangana noGala esikoleni. Sishaya into yethu mfethu sidansa athatha siyama group yabo. Bawo Valentine ngena olento heritage azethu shama performance into kanjalo. Ubona lento ukuthi mfethu ingaphakathi mina and angikwazi ukuthi vele ngizizwe understand. So ngabe lo muntu mfethu uzophushayo until ngize ngiqede isikole. Ngiqede wami isikole into engayitshela uOled ukuthi mawami ngicela ungephele unyaka lo. Ngeke ngizame into engiyibonayo ukuthi izongisebenzela to understand. Yena wayefuna ukuthi mengiphasile uqedile u-matric u-right yabo. So angidedela umzali mfethu then ungidedela wakhe la sengiqala khona sempaqolo ngempela mfethu. Wakuphela ngisho almost 2 years ngwalokho aqhamuka ihithi ikhula. Okay, remember ikhula ya. Labe noGala featuring Nissan. So lapho waqala khona ukujika amatafula mfethu. So yimina lo ngikhula mfethu ngikuthanda entertainment yabo. Ngisho into sephakathi mina mfethu bengakwazi ukuthi iphume. Ngikhona la izibe
No, but I really appreciate how you putting in place ukuthi walicene olede ukuthi no mfethu ngicela ukuthi unginene noma unyawo wodwa yabona because mfethu sikhula sinale pressure ukuthi kumele sifeze amaphupho abazali yabo before size sicabange thina ukuthi but mina this is actually what I want to do. So kusibusisa ukuthi when you didn't just put a ceiling on top of your head wathi mfethu hayi mfethu lento engiyifunayo ngizoyifuna ngize ngiyayithola. So mfethu siyaphuma ke mfethu ikhula mfethu saphatha ubhavu wabuyikhaleli. So how was the rollout mfethu strategy for you guys to push a song to that extent mfethu? Yeah, but I know mfethu kuyenza ukuthi ngoma iputshuke mfethu anedume ninganakile. But everything that you were doing with Ikhula, it seemed like it was planned mfethu to you. Like putting that dance challenge for a rollout to a music video for Ingoma to also contend for being like the song of the year. Like tell me about the brains, like the meetings you had. PR for you guys at that time, if you don't mind mentioning.
I think Ikhula better susa wayithina yabo indlela enjanga cause ngalo nyaka sashaya itho but letho sishaya le manguzo mfethu yabo. So wishaye sithona laphana if sifike garage mfethu ukudlala le ngoma record siqeda uyirecord e-studio. Si record noliseni Plan B na so sibaningi e-studio yabo. Iphuma ingoma then uphuma uqeda ingoma irecord mfethu so ke sivume sisayi yahamba le ngoma le ayiyona le ngoma le yabo cause ikhuluma bhala ukujabula uthi unabani ukhula nini yabo ePhepuri yabo
it's a
birthday song actually yabo. So nasayirela zasesiqedile vele we record uthi hayibo le ngoma le uyabela itsasayibeka nje bese uthi ibirthday yami yabo kuyazana yabo salibele siphindile studio salibele singafuni ukuyolala bese libele siphindile yabo kanti lo nyanga vele kuzophela inyanga sihambe soshaya itholi le manguza yabo emakhaya yabo. Sifika laphana sama ngetext bese Quantum sifika nje bese garage dlala le ngoma le yagoma iQuantum bese siyadansa yabo shaya challenge le sasingayo nathi sikhamu kanje. So egarage then the other thing sesiqedile itho sesiyabuya senze the same thing yabo. Kanti umjida owayesimanage uSimphiwe Mkhize mfethu wavela ipost video TikTok thina lapho at the time uTikTok asujwayela yabo ukubona le. So umjida sekhaya ipost le video lena mfethu uSimphiwe umva lokho mfethu sasiyavuka ekseni ngoma 2 ya trend eThekwini
hayibo
zisemgaqweni lapho obuyayo yabo 2 ingoma ya trend bese siyabusha ngo 1.4 million views libe lokhuphuka bese hayibo. The other thing phuma abantu sebethola amatafula sebethola amabhodo yabo ingoma ya trend kanjalo bese nasangakhola uthi hayibo leyazi nje mfethu le minutes yabo ukuthi nje uthi uyalala wathi hayibo
bro
ibhizi la iseyini madoda
kubhizi la
ngoma ya trend ipata
lapho nina off the town
asikho nokuba khona la and then leyo nto mfethu sathi sibuye nje mfethu athi ingoma beliphume yabo. So ilezo zinto lephuma ingoma shoot music video nasi sabe labo abantu abafast uthi ayasenzeni senza njalo ingoma yabo lasabalala
lapho.
So yeah
no but it's a very great story because izinto vele eziba great izinto ezenzeka organically mfethu yabo izinto eziba part of nje mfethu strategy mfethu not ukuthi awulinde kuze kufike le yato. So that's evident that you just need to continue putting in the work to making things happen. No mfethu sanibongela everyone. I'm sure that song changed your life yabo. So with you now ke manje senipopile how did it feel like the transition because I'm sure aniqhubekanga nahlala amongst the people that you were with. Kwabanjani ke mfethu seni ama superstar man from just being umjida waselokishini but manje siyi superstar ayinikanga leyo mpahla pressure no manje mfethu I'm sure you didn't have a car at that time baba mhlambe kwathiwa yabo mhlambe ongasayigibeli itaxi yayibona le mfethu stardom siza naleyo stereotype mfethu so manje you switching flights yabo manje but I'm sure before that mfethu you were getting there party. I'm sure there's quite a few things as I decide like life is still normal. Sure.
First, I think after lokho nje ukuthi sesiphophile on vele ngeke ngabe khona pressure mfethu from abantu yabo.
Sure.
Awusakwazi ukuhlala kini. Mewuqala uthola indawo yokuhlala. Awusakwazi ukugqona noma yini, do you understand?
Sure.
Kusamele uvele noma ikephi, akhona indawo ongasayihambi yabo. Njengoba usho ne-taxi asakwazi uyigibela because uyashuthwa la left and right yabo. So leyo nto nje mfethu but at the same time lo nto mfethu iyalimaza yabo. If uzoyizela ngalokho ukuthi okay sengiphuphile manje nginani. Then lo nto uthathe wena uyigodle wenze noma kanjani yabo. Leyo nto iyalimaza mfethu yabo. I think thina into esayenza ukuthi sikwazi ukufocus because izinto sasesitsheliwe ngazo izinto esohlangana nazo ngale game yenu ukuthi akuzoba khona u1 no2 no3 kuba khona u1 no2 no3 yabo. So kumele nifocus nazo ukuthi okay mase kanje wenza kanje yabo. So sasesitholile vele umuntu omdala owade wafika emini yabo. That's right. So izinto nje mfethu sikwazi ukuphusha normal mfethu siphusha normal until nje mfethu sibe la sikhona la. Okay.
No, but no, I highly love that mfethu. Igroup mfethu Belo Nogalo. It was very monumental. Ishintshile isounded Gqomi where Gqomi didn't make sense yabo. That time when we piano mfethu elali kokota and mfethu you guys man mfethu sound and mfethu highly commend on that. Fast forward mfethu 2024, it was October 28th. You went on social media, you announced the group is just taking a pause. You're going to be focusing on a solo project, of which it's something that I really compliment. There's always room for growth, and there's always room for that individual brilliance. Because we still long for more music from you guys. The intent is a drop on 2025 of which we can. So any future with like something that's coming from Belo Nogalo, like as we sitting here today.
Yeah, very so local Russians, the sort of drop of it, so that is Belo Nogalo. As Ushid and I also got in the statement and the statement in night and the apparition of it. Or manje assisi ukuthi sikhulisa ama-brand ethu nga-one to understand because vele brand abele local isiphumile but manje azama ukukhulisa nga-one ukuze if lo munye esengekho azi lo munye usuyakwazi uyimela yabo. Engashawa ukuthi ubele asekho emhlabeni uzoqhubeka kanjani mina khona ngaziwa ezubele local yabo. Do you understand yona? So ileyo nto ukuthi umuntu ebhalansisa igama lakhe eyedwa first yabo ebephusha ngale ndlela ezokwazi ukuphusha ngayo until they reach the point. But in the first ingoma ukuthi ubele local basawukhipha for sure leka sakukhipha khona isikhathi sakho
we are jabulisa ukuzwa lokho because you do see it's been happening. I'm sorry to mention quite a few names, but we saw like the fall of Black Motion, I'm a group that were so dedicated to be together, but after some time they just fall off. I just commend you guys for how you are so transparent and it's as a span, but for now nathi as my friends sesiyibuza imibuzo eminingi yabo leyo nto mfethu. First, you released your one of your solo first projects mfethu There's Love igqomi yabo leyo nto. Well thina ke la isilaka mfethu it's the second one then. Thina la isilaka sithi Pretty Ladies Love Short Hair. Uyayibona leyo nto mfethu. So yeah connect mfethu. So mfethu that was your second, as you mentioning ukuthi it was a second to age, and as I don't lie, it broke the internet.
Yeah.
So now you solo, like it's a solo project. I'm sure ukuthi likhona indlela obugcwele ukwenza ngayo mfethu nisaphelele Nogalo ngihlezi ngisestudio. So ngibuka iconsistency mfethu from ikhula ukwazela ukuyibamba yabo lonto mfethu because there's a much enough for Dubai and when you delivered that song it gave me that touch and I need you work with my elevators
Yeah, but not in the
Oh, not with Dubai. But ngithe leya sound even ngibothi ukwazi ukuyibamba mfethu. So awungitshene mfethu ukuthi what do you want to achieve mfethu? Wena usungena ke studio kusuwethu it's okay. This is better that I want people to actually feel and listen.
Yeah. Hey, first, I think mina umuntu ocabanga kakhulu ne, and mayicabanga ucabanga ngento ezokwazi ukuthi indise la ngifuna ukuya khona, yabo. So nginingi isikhathi ukuthi ngicabanga first ukuthi okay, njengamanje yini emele ilandele, kumele ngenze kanjani, yabo. So i-project yokuqala project ukuthi ngivele ukuthi okay ubelo usezophusha ezisolo, yabo. Abantu which into ababengayi-receive kahle leyo, you understand? But ngathi awuthi ngizama ukuthi ngibanike something as ubelo ngibone ukuthi i-reaction iba kanjani, yabo. So ngayenza i-project vethu, ngangenza i-project ngayikhipha, yabo. Awazani namina wena, so yaphuma lo project vethu, but ayenzanga like umehluko of something, yabo. Abantu abayireceivanga ayidumanga, but nga-relax ngathi awuthi ngikhokha umoya futhi. Nika kubhede kuphi, angizamcabanga ukuthi okay lento kade ngiyenza ngibhede kuphi nakuphi. Ngayihlaziya yonke leyo nto vethu, ngaphuma futhi ne-answer njengokuthi yenza isibalo futhi uphuma ne-answer kusebenza. So nje vethu ngayihlaziya ngaphuma ne-answer okay ngiyaselela nganyathela la ngenza kanje, yabo. Ngizama ukuthi ngithathe lezi zinto manje ngihlanganise ngibone ukuthi izophuma yini ila kwazi ukuqhamuka khona i-Predators Love Gqom.
So mfethu sorry to step obani abebeseduze mfethu ngaleso sikhathi?
Elevators first project yokuqala le engenzanga kahle kwakhona elevators yona ngisize in terms of i-scoop, yabo. So ibona abantu ebengisebenza nabo vethu. Hey, kwasho ukuthi akwangenzeka mfethu, yabo. Yangadayisa i-project ngathi no it's fine. Angisebenze phezu kwami ngibona ukuthi yini into engayilungisa. Ngayithola into engayilungisa mfethu. Qala wami nje mfethu umalume uTira vethu ngibonga kuyena vethu kakhulu mfethu uHulumane. So ila engayibona khona ukuthi no mfethu umele nge-AF. Ngiyadeserve ukuba se-AF mfethu. Do you understand? Because if ubone energy laphana bahlezi bese benza music, bahlezi bene-energy ukuthi bekhiphe ingoma yonke leyo nto, yabo. So kwaba ukuthi siyahlangana nomalume bese siyakhuluma ukuthi malume sasisebenzisane lana vethu, ngiyathanda ukuba la ekhaya, ngiyathanda leli khaya leli, I'm sure khona into engingayenza, yabo. Malume futhi wangikhama nekhwathana ntwana yami, ngiyakubona uyaphusha woza vethu asi-ona sisebenza, yabo. Kwabe leyo nto ngalibonga uHulumane. Ila ngaqala khona ukwenza i-project se-Predators Love Gqom ephume under yona i-Afrotainment, yabo. Sengihlangana nama-Cape Masters, ama-William Boys, yabo. Sengithola abantu abane-energy mfethu ukuthi bahlezi be-on e-studio mfethu, anything engiyifunayo, yabo. Ngizokwazi ukuthi ngibathinte ukuthi bafethu aningenzeli 1 no 2 no 3, yabo.
So ukuba kwakhe Afro, it helped you channel yourself as a solo artist and understand ukuthi what the game is actually all about.
Yeah, for sure. Ngifunda into eziningi kahle, yabo. Uthi okay u1 no 2 wenziwa nje, u1 no 2 wenziwa nje. But mina nginalento yami vele eseceleni ukuphusha ngendlela yami. Ukuthi ngingakopeli ukuthi kuphushwa kanjani, uphusha kanjani isibanibani uphusha kanjani. Ngiyathanda ukwenza into ehlukile. If ubona nje mfethu into yami yonke ihlukile nika ayifani nomunye umuntu, yabo. Because nginaleyo believe ukuthi ngiyimina, angifuni ukuzenza omunye umuntu, angibe yimina mfethu, yabo. So kube leyo nto ukuthi ngiyacosha phela lezi zinto zasegameni ukuthi okay lokhu wenziwa nje, yabo. Then ngayishaya i-project yona futhi eDubai nika sashaya i-camp ya 5 days khona e-Afro, yabo. Silele nje futhi kwama-couch i-William Boys, u-Stingray ubhizi lapha u-Compromise ushaya isigubhu. So uvuka kwami ekuseni ngizwa lesigubhu lesi, yabo. Hayibo ngiyasiza usahamba ngiyashusa yaba lokho ethi nika ngicela ungifake, yabo. Evele ngihleke ngithi awunika indaba ongithembile, ethi hayi ngena nika, yabo, engifake ngishaya le mpahla eDubai ngiyokhipha i-stress, yabo. Ntombazana angibona abanana yabo libele eDubai ngiyokhipha i-stress.
Imama usicangile la dance noma
angayicabanga i-dance nje yayikude, angazi mina ngizwe ingoma ngizobhisa, yabo. Yishaya le mpahla lena shayina le mpahla ngifika eDubai
Sure.
ngabona amantombazane
Sure.
mangishaya besu ukujita engayifili uStingray unxese mnganami kodwa uyazi uyalazi ipenisi so wayengayifili besu esisini layo esisini lalela yabona omunye umoya lo ongeze understand esayibela mfethu it's fine because mina ngulo muntu ongenza igqomu lelifane lapho igqomu lami alifane lapho if uzolalisana but bashaya igqomu leli ukuthi iyadansa no bestana abaningi mina ngithanda into esimple nje mfethu so lo wabhithi washa into the level ukuthi ngivele ngikhululeke mengirecorda mfethu yabo ngikhululeke so ngayishaya wangayifila ngathi okay it's fine ngicela usevele yona mina ungisendele yona wayiseva wacima ama-vocal kweyakhe waqala wadlala engena beats yes ngenxese mnganami but inja yami wadlala engena beats mfethu ngibona ukuthi okay ayifile fine ngiqede project yami mfethu then mase ngiyayikhipha yabo mina ngibheka ukuthi iphi ingoma ezoduma ilesi ongalaleli igqomu enenkinga yabona umpandle ngibheke loyo ukuthi uze yona ezohamba hayi ibele relax vele qhamuka eDubai hayi nganami ngase yabona manje uNkulunkulu usebenza overtime
baba
qhamuka eDubai ngiyabona nje bese okay Shy. Challenge iqhamukayo. Sure. Khona umjito elebelebele sele to MJ yabo. Wayidensa lapho. So qhamuka ne challenge mfethu abantu bayithanda. Yamashi. Aqala yena Stingray manje usesele impahla umoya negalami ngisinika ngitshelile. Qinile nje. Dalo wena. So mina ngulo muntu bese zonke ingoma zami ufilalela zisimple into engacula ngisho ingane incane into engacula ngisho ubaba omdala yabo so if ngakho ingoma ngisongakhela abantu not mina you understand ngakhela abantu into ezobajabulisa ezo-accommodate futhi wonke umuntu ezibandlulula ukuthi le ilalelwa mhlawumbe onesi kuphela yabo you understand hayi le ilalelwa mhlawumbe ogogo kuphela omkhulu kuphela ngenza into ezo-accommodate wonke umuntu eyicula so from kukhula imali yagezana yabo ngisabambe ngaleso step awufuni into eyodwa nale ngisanda ukhipha amaphoyisa like into eyodwa mfethu I believe ukuthi abantu abadingi ukuthi uzucula kakhulu ngomeni iba nje mfethu into esimple ezocula nayingane mfethu ingane vele iculele yona ingabi difficult ukuthi manje athi lamagama yabo so ngulowo muntu mina every time ngizokhipha ingoma ngifuna ingoma esimple ezo-accommodate wonke umuntu so neDubai yayikanjalo hamba ngalomoya nje eDubai ipholiwe phela okunye nika angifune amavesi angifune esiphithi because yona ingoma iyona into eyenza ukuthi abantu beskip ingoma
into engahluphi nje
so nje into kanjalo nje mfethu yaphuma njalo i-project
yaphuma kanjalo i-project mfethu
yaduma mfethu abantu bangiwelcome ubelo mfethu because of the energy yami nobuntu enginabo mfethu ukuthi babone ukuthi umjita mfethu uyayiphilela yabo so nalomsebenzi ngihlezi ngifocus kuwona mfethu yabo so ngabona njalo abantu sibafethu sisakhona ningi music osazofika abafethu sisazodansa abafethu angesime mfethu yabo
kusazodansa mfethu manje ungifaka phela ngikwi-GT mfethu ngiyaleka bafo mfethu ngiyaleka kwi-GT
mfethu imali yakhosta
showcase mfethu so mfethu ngiyabonga mfethu i-briefing engaka mfethu it's so funny how ama-ideas that actually make it while enziwa mfethu abe-doubt yabo leyo yabo mfethu I don't lie to you nama-faced moments whereby mfethu kunama-situations mfethu sokuthi umuntu ufuna ukwenza into kodwa ngenxa yokuthi abantu abakulelo kamera abayiboni ngale ndlela wena oyibona ngayo yabo leyo so it's easy to be just walked out mfethu hayi no mfethu talent yakhe hayi yabo mfethu siyabonga mfethu uthi uyibamba ngale ngoma mfethu yabona wangavuma ukuthola i-discouragement yabona ayimela nje
lo into mina masengisengiyenza nje ngayenza so omunye umuntu uthi uthini mfethu angihlangane because ngathini ayiboni le vision lenginayo
Onayo, sure.
so that's why ngithi omunye umuntu negama mina if into ngithe ngiyayenza and isuzosebenza futhi because ngiphinde vela kuyona
showcase
lento lekhona into engayenza
khona into ezoyimela
for sure.
So but it's a quick one ke mfethu ngoba phela asigcina ukudansa lapho mfethu lokhu sidansise njalo mfethu you're working with your captain mfethu mfethu ngoba usho mfethu even with your camp master mfethu that's super amazing mfethu yabo. So currently right now mfethu kunento enzakalayo yabo. So yes yafika njani ke le mpahla bethu amaphoyisa because it's one thing to just say something mhlambe kwi-video and then you realize hey yazi li-plan le mpahla bethu yabo mhlambe kubona i-video ngoba nama-video ayatrenda maningi ama-video atrenda ngama-sound ahlekisayo but wena mfethu let's took something that's just general ngoba uchaza manje ukuthi wena into zakho usandoba zibe simple. A lot of people experience le nto isho mfethu kwinamba yakho bekuthi excess ipholele namajita and the next thing nangabaphoyisa. So how did that one come about at first? Tell me about it first because I'm so excited to just listen to you actually sharing it ukuthi how did the itemu ke ngiyayibona ingoma uzoyichaza late but kwakwenze njani mfethu uzothi and the next thing nangabaphoyisa.
I think angimina lo washo njalo ne
Sure.
Kenze yapha ingoma vele ayisikhona ku TikTok.
Sure.
Mina ukuthi ngunomuntu lo oyithandayo esimple ngengasho naseqaleni.
Sure.
So ngenza le sound lethi sihlalele sipholele and the next thing
Sure.
So mina ngathatha i-idea ngayenza yaba nkulu nika like ngaba ngale behind ingoma cause ingoma kwakuyingoma nje ukuthi sihlalele sipholele the next thing yabo.
So
inganawo lawo manje ukuthi abantu bepushe kakhulu besha ama-video something yabo. So mengizwa le mpahla le kanti isha ama-naked souls yabo. Ama-naked souls vele ade ifuna usipana nami ba-DM lo yazi bafethu ngiyayithanda le mpahla enekhiphingi bacela share 2.1 yabo yabo njengama-artist aseGoli ahlezi khiphe ingoma phethe yodwa mhlawumbe ekhipha ngo-3 yabo bafethu ngicela usishare 2.0 lana sibone ukuthi ngenzakalani olova bathi awufethu showcase bethu awufethu vele sifuna usipana yabo bathi angisekelelify nayo yonke into. So lo mjida lo shaya le mpahla sihlalele sipholele and the next thing nakama umetro ukama lakho
Metro Bengiqale uthi amajita bethu asebedala featuring bethu umetro wena exact amaphoyisa
no Tenika Metro SA kama lakho bethu. So shout out to
Metro SA.
So
lo mjita bethu
I'm not sure bethu so ake
but that's wala kamasho bese
kwangala
kuyafana la
so nje bethu ngezwe kanjalo lo bangitshela ukuthi hayi umetro shaya impahla lena mfethu ama-vocal khona ukhanda shisa uyena ushaya beat nabo ba-eto beat yabo ama-naked souls ngathi no flop mfethu ngicela ukuthi nidedele ngoma lena sizama ukuthi siyenze ingoma nje mfethu straight mfethu hayi lo baba down to earth mfethu athi showcase bafethu ayithatha ingoma ngarecorda bangirecorda nika ngabizelani amaphoyisa ayibo khala masarini nibataka so yavele yahlala bethu kwabantu bangipost ivideo khona ngisingisi hayi bona sekuqhamuka i-challenge kanti vele bese khona i-challenge khona but nalamagama engiwafakile asevele edeniso senkulu yabo that's why ngithe mina ngesikhathi ngizwe okokuqala vele ngayicabangela ngale ngathi ngoma le ngaba international if ngenza 1 no 2 no 3 understand. So kwami yimi lo ngisebenza phezukwayo ngihambe ngestudio ebusuku uveza irecord le mpahla irecord senje ngashaya ivideo ngayipost yabo hayi
ngalokho hayi sipholele and the next thing
nangabaphoyisa ngadm usihle mfethu utheke lethu uboy athi nje mfethu ukuthi ngifake isivesi lapho athi showcase mfethu no on mfethu sendela 5 vesi other side ngacela uPC vesi awenze right
kanwenza into right
ja mfethu angacucuza mfethu athi nika lami ona kakhulu empahla njengoba kuthanda thina sobabili ngamanje
Sure. Because PC uyayibulala
nami ngingoma yabetrendayo so wathi boy no asibangene mfethu yabo
Sure.
number mfethu yaphumelela ingoma yabamnandi mfethu wonke umuntu right unama percent right bafethu umuntu wethento yakhe ngezinto space nje laphethu yabo so ngiyabonga kakhulu kolova mfethu abavumile ukuthi nika no siyakuthemba mfethu yabo siyakuthemba umsebenzi wakho omuhle mfethu but nayo ingoma ubone
ukuthi
so wabe nayo lo nto ngoba international manje busy usho 500k in 6 days
in 6 days issue mfethu amandla mfethu amakhulu kakhulu mfethu yabo lona when your time to actually you make your time yabo so but masu sunaleyo confidence ukuthi whatever that you touch you're just gonna tend to go the way so ayikho bethu into ekuvimbayo and ayikho into ekumela endleleni no mfethu it's a great one mfethu ngiyabonga ke mfethu ngoba sengibongile from the first time now mfethu I'm a person who really appreciate and acknowledge mfethu abafethu abahambule yabo because mase nje bese ngikutshene nje dog mfethu umsebenzi wakho omuhle kakhulu yabo and it's not only appreciated by us kuphela mfethu like elokishini lonke mfethu like the whole township mfethu umsebenzi wakho mfethu uyayikhulumela yabo lona so mfethu leyo value mfethu oyiholdayo and nathi ukuthi usitsheleke usinike mfethu ukuthi hayi no mathida mfethu senikhulumile akusetshenzwe yabo we really appreciate it mfethu yabo so nje mfethu ngathi ngalokho kukhanye njalo bafo mfethu qhubekele kuye phambili yabo lona so I'm sure ukuthi kulonyaka ngokusaphansi mfethu kuningi singakulindela can just give it a short sneak peek ukuthi what can we actually expect from uBhela mfethu yabo kodwa yena usaqhubeka
yeah njengoba ngisho ngikhiphile amaphoyisa mfethu
sure
and enza kahle mfethu ama numbers mfethu shout out to wonke umuntu streamer bafethu odanodaya ingoma ethengayo bafethu kakhulu bafethu
sure
kusho likhulu kumina yabo
sure
ngisho ukuthi music video I think next week engoma amaphoyisa yabo mfethu emba lokho khona ama-hits azayo ase-ready vele just ukuthi kumele ngithi kuqala sikusonke mase nenza njalo bafethu niyazi nani
i-loyalty mfethu from i-fan base is very important because ngoba nawadusho mfethu ukuthi everything bethi iqala kuma-social media yabo and futhi maze kuthiwa ngiyakubuza mfethu phela kuyenzeka mfethu ukuthi like strategically for ama-release yabo ube nje nayo leyo 10 yakho yama-influencers mfethu wazi ukuthi hayi into masiposta ubani mfethu hayi izoba grand. Do you have any of those people?
Yeah, but abantu bengakhulumi nabo yabo like abangitshengisa uthando from social media yabo uthi hayi ubele bekhiphile mfethu list shama video yabo ngiyangikwazi bamention abo ondile na mfethu ndile mfethu awundile uyangihlekisa ke mfethu OG na mfethu Stufuza yabo bakhona labo bantu mfethu abahleli bethi straight for wena bele anytime drop up so yenza it right yabo so shout out to bona nalabo ngababalanga bafethu ngeke ngwazi imbala nonke pare ngiyabonga kakhulu bafethu because every time ngidropa nenze it right content zayo ke futhi
sure
ngawo mantento amaji
sure
ngoba manje
sibhizi kancane ne sure phase sure ngisho khona ukuthi based on how usho nje ukuthi khona okuzayo awusitshene bafo kancane ukuthi yini mfethu kumele siyilindele mfethu
bafethu ngicela nibone senibona mfethu ngiyacela ngifuna ukuchaza kakhulu
awufuna ukuchaza kakhulu bafo
angiyena umuntu ochazayo ngumuntu owenzayo
sure awutsheni muntu nje sizwa nje ngento sithi gcine
but mfethu more music for sure mfethu nama-feature amakhulu bafethu ngiyasebenza overtime njengoba ngisho ukuthi ngi-up and down igoli idebhele
sure
so ngizama ukuthi hlanganisa something mfethu ngibe ready anytime bengithi ngifuna ukudropa ngiyadropa
Sure.
so yeah
Kungalokho kulindwe nonyuye yini.
ngalibele kulindwa mfethu isikhathi asisekho vele
Sure, mfethu. No, mfethu, kuyabongeka mfethu when mfethu speaking with a lot of confidence kanje. It shows so much mfethu ukuthi hayi no mfethu. It's still gonna be a long year, yabo leyo nto mfethu. Mhlambe ne-justice okhosini mhlawumbe izogcina yenzekile yabo lona balike into enziwe igagasi-ke mfethu sayibonga ukuthi ilimele ivare yabo lona ikwazi mfethu u-accolade mfethu iy'ngoma ezikufanele mfethu ukuthi ihlukaniswe inyanga because that situation yenzeka kunina ngayo mfethu ikhule yabo lona the kind of the song playing all around but mfethu ingaphumi as number one mfethu isidlale kangaka yayithola into engisho yabo lonto so nje mfethu we really think ukuthi-ke mfethu justice izonza kulo nyaka usuqalile mfethu usuyababulala kancane so nje mfethu keep it up baba mfethu keep it up
ngiyabonga kakhulu mfethu
so mfethu so currently manje we just gonna run ama-performances athi ngiqede ngena ngehelani khona ngikubuza lo mbuzo obalulekile mfethu yabo wokugcina mfethu and then-ke mfethu we're gonna wrap it up to the ultimate performance yanamhlanje kwi-Bravo Show. Awuyagunda-ke lo mjini okugundayo awuyagunda yabona mfethu ngihamba mfethu nje emadleleni akuhlaza la ekhanda lakho yonke into i-right ihelani mfethu is on point yabona ukulo baba bakubulala bakushaya kamnandi nazo-ke bafo so you're gonna do ama-performances for us namhlanje of which is 2 songs so which songs are going to be performing bafo
perform amaphoyisa nyama
sure
sihamba nawo
sure
eish 2
sure
wani ngicela zanga
mfethu just nje into eclean nje mfethu yabo because i-rollout yethu is always look like that yabo uthi mfethu nje isiqaqa mase-ke mfethu ibambela ngamaphoyisa yabo but also nje warm-up songs was amaphoyisa sure mfethu itubhala mfethu imnandi kakhulu
sure